Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop WordPress plugin update emails. Let's get started. First go to your WordPress website and log into your admin panel. Go to plugin on the left menu and click on new. Search for plugin like manage notifications email. This one. Click install and now click on the active button. Once activated, go to plugin setting. You will find this under setting in the left menu. Here, notification settings. Uncheck all of this, you will never get a notification from WordPress, never.